Dan can put up 35 tiles an hour, and he always works at the same speed. So he needs 165 tiles. We need to know how many hours that is, or how many hours and how many minutes. So 165, how many 35s is that? So we do 165 divided by 35. Now, let me get the answer, 4 5/7. 4 5/7 hours. Your calculator might say 4.714 and so on, but whatever it says, or 4.714285 recurring. Regardless of what your calculator says, we know it's going to be 4 hours and some minutes. It's not enough for 5 hours, so it's 4 hours. So if we take away the 4, because we know it's going to be 4 hours, and then that leaves us 5/7, or it will leave us 0.714285 recurring. Whoops. So when you've done that, change that to minutes, because this is 5/7 of an hour and there's 60 minutes in an hour. We just times it by 60, and 5/7 times 60, we get the answer 42.85. Now we really only need the nearest minute, so it's 42.86 in fact minutes. So if we say it's approximately 43 minutes, I think the nearest minute will be plenty accurate enough for a tiling job. So 43 minutes. So altogether we've got 4 hours and 43 minutes for the tiling. So there's a 25-minute break and a 55 minutes for lunch. So the 25 add the 55, these two breaks. If we add those up, the 5 minutes will take me to 1 hour. So it's 1 hour, 20 minutes. So keep splitting into hours and minutes. We've got 4 hours and 43 minutes. So in total, we add up the minutes, we get 63 minutes, which is 3 minutes and 1 carried 1 hour. So 1, 4 and 1 is 6 hours and 3 minutes. Okay, so that's because 20 add 43 is 63 minutes, which is more than 1 hour. So it's an extra 3 minutes and an hour added on. Now he starts at 7:55. If we add the minutes on first, we get to 7:58, which is not too bad. And then we're going to add on 6 hours. Now we're going to add 5 hours first, because that will get me to the middle of the day. Add 5 on, I'll get to 12:58. Then I'm going to add the extra hour on, and I get to 1:58 PM. You can do that lots of different ways. So finishes at 1:58 PM. Seems rather precise, but that's what the question asked for.